In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your Wise Card PIN if you need to check the PIN for your Wise Card. The process is very quick and straightforward. Just make sure you're logged into your Wise account before you begin. And if you're in a shared space, be mindful that your PIN is sensitive information and should only be viewed privately. To get started, go to the Wise homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be able to access the different areas of your account, including your balances, transfers, and cards. This homepage is the starting point for finding your card details. From there, click on Cards. This will take you to the section where all of your Wise Card options are managed. If you have more than one card, this area helps you select the specific card you want to review. It's also where you can typically manage card settings and view card-related information. Next, click on Digital Card. This opens the details page for that card, where you can see the available options connected to it. Make sure you select the correct card before continuing, especially if you use multiple cards for different purposes. Once you're on the digital card page, click on Show PIN. After selecting this option, Wise will reveal the PIN linked to that card. Depending on your account security settings, you may be asked to confirm your identity before the PIN appears. That extra verification step is normal and helps keep your account secure. When the PIN is displayed, take a moment to view it carefully. If you need it for a purchase or to confirm your card details, make sure you're in a secure environment and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you're using a public or shared device, it's a good idea to close the page once you're done. And that's it. To show your Wise Card PIN, simply go to the Wise homepage, open the card section, select Digital Card, and then click Show PIN. It only takes a few moments, and it's a useful feature whenever you need to access your card information quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.